Hey everyone, this is Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we're going to go over A to Z database. This is a great database if you're looking for information about local businesses, you're looking for a person's address, or see if they're listed in like kind of in yellow pages, the phone number and things like that. But it also has a lot of good tools for you as far as job searching too. So we'll get to it. As always, you're going to go to our library's website. You're going to go to www.mapld.org. You're going to go to Research and Learning. You're going to go to A to Z List. And you're going to go right here to A to Z Database, Search Jobs, Businesses, or Mailing List. You're going to need your library card and PIN number. So if you do not know your PIN or for some reason it does not work, feel free to email us at mtslib@mapld.org or call us at 708-748-4431. Or you can use our virtual talk service, Let's Talk, right here. Go ahead and just click on that and type your message here, and we can definitely help you get that PIN number. So when you click on this link here, it's going to open up here, library barcode, PIN, hit sign in, and this is what you should see. So the first thing is going to be find a business. Like I said, you could put Walmart here, and it'll pop up. You could put the city, so if you want to put Matson, it'll give you how many employees. It might even give you like the general manager's name, and contact information, and things like that. This is really good to use if you're doing research about, like, say, local businesses and how they're thriving in an area. This is one good way to find something. You could also do find a job and career resources. I'll get back to that one in a couple of seconds. I'm going to go over these because these are quicker. Next to it is find a person and search by phone. So you can always do the last name, full name. You can do if they're executive, the regular residence, area they live in, and so forth. Both of these have advanced searches. So if you click on advanced search, it's going to give it a second, give you a more in-depth look. So you can even do like metro area, county, phone number, anything you have, even gender, head of household, just see what they come up. And you could actually look up just like your neighborhood and things like that. If you're looking for somebody you lost contact with, this is kind of another little area you can kind of look through. So it's definitely something you can utilize. Go back to home, click on there. You can also find person platinum search, so you can just do historical addresses, criminal search too, click right here. You can also send free emails, so you can actually do like Django emails. So you can start here, you can actually go ahead and do mass emails here, so you get a free account. As long as you have your library card and you log into A to Z database, that is available to you. They also have intro videos. So like data collecting, how to use your job search function, how to find a person. So if you're looking for tutorials, because this gets a little bit difficult for you to find somebody, they do have tutorial videos on how to use each section of their website. And lastly, what I was saying is that they have a find a job. So they're powered through Indeed. So anything you find, any job that you want to look through here, a title, area, if you want full-time, part-time, and internship, will be answered by the Indeed search engine. So you can also just go to Indeed.com. But this website actually kind of breaks down the amount of spam or scam jobs that are posted on Indeed. And so that's very helpful if you want to make sure that these jobs are legitimate. They also have an area for cover letters and resumes. So if you're looking on how to write a resume, connect with potential employers, if you go to their career resources area, how to prepare skills assessments, if you click on here, they'll give you another kind of tips on how to go about the process, how to apply resumes and more. If you go ahead here, you see templates and examples. They even have how to interview, preparing for an interview, following up after an interview, and so forth. They also have one more thing I'd like to point out is the reference desk. They have the A to Z U Training Center. So these are classes they have. So it's an overview of how to use A to Z, but this one I find very useful is how to find a job, resume writing, and acing an interview. You can register for these 2 webinar times and you can ask questions. Like I said, usually the classes run to 20 to 30 minutes. So you can go over tips, you can go over your resume, and it's interactive. So if you have questions, if you're not sure if you should do a chronological resume versus, one with more of your hobbies and skills, you could definitely ask the question during this webinar feature. So this is nice to have. They always have them every Wednesday. at both times here, 2 sessions. So you're welcome once again to just click register. It'll open up here. You put your email, put which one you're going to do the webinar, and you are set to go. But yeah, great website to use. A lot of different tools. So as you come down here, you can see different businesses, healthcare professionals too. You can actually look up healthcare areas. And the one thing they did add is if you go here to the COVID testing information, if you click here, it'll do it by state. So it'll give you information on how to look up what is going on for your vaccines and testing and so forth. So a lot of information, great resource to use, especially if you're looking for a job. They have a lot of more things in that job area. But yeah, A to Z database. Remember, go to our website, www.mapld.org. Go to research and learning, A to Z list, and then you're going to click down on A to Z database, search jobs, businesses, or mailing lists. Remember, your library card and PIN number is necessary to access the database. If you have any problems, do not hesitate to contact us. But until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.